Some insurance companies cover the therapy, but unfortunately, the insurance companies are very tight-lipped and won't give us that information. So unless you actually have a policy number, they're not going to give that information out. So I would recommend either having your human resources call for you on your behalf or call them directly with your policy number and ask them to look under two different areas. It might be under needleless acupuncture, or it might be under laser for smoking cessation. Now, if your insurance company will not cover it, another route you could take is getting a note from your doctor saying you need to quit smoking. And even if that note is after you've had your laser treatment, that's fine. You include the note that the doctor provides for you along with the receipt that we give you. And then when you file income tax next year, you can use it as an income tax deduction. So you can't do both. If your insurance covers it, great, but then you can't claim it on your income tax. But if your insurance does not cover it, then you can claim it on your income tax.